Welcome to our channel EDUCATEGENIX. Today we will show you the tips and tricks to learn. Hello friends, let us look into algebraic factors again, quadratic equations itself. My question is x squared minus 9x plus 8. This time I have a term with a minus sign in between. This I need to factorize in the form x plus a into x plus b. A and b can be any integers. So, let us go through the steps. The first step is the coefficient of x squared into the constant. So, plus 1 into plus 8 is going to give me a plus 8. Let me draw my tree diagram here, which will tell me this into this is supposed to give me this minus 9. With the sign, I always will consider all numbers with the sign. If the sign goes wrong, my question is going wrong. So please pay attention to the signs. Let us look into the factors of 8. 8 is formed by 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So I can add 4 plus 2 and get a 6, 8 plus 1 and get a 9. At the same time, I can subtract 4 minus 2 and get a 2, and I can subtract a 8 minus 1 and get a 7. What number do I need here? A 9. Here is my 9. 8 and 1 gives me a 9. How do I achieve a minus 9? Rule of integers, same sign. If I have a minus 8 and minus 1, I get a minus 9. Also at the same time, minus 8 into minus 1 gives me a plus 8. Minus into minus, plus. So all my rules are satisfied. From here itself I can write my answer. As I told you, if there is a no coefficient of x squared, only 1 is there. My answer is directly available from here, which is x minus 8 into x minus 1. These two numbers just prefix with x here. Let me show you the working as well. X squared, the minus 8 will be suffixed with a x, and minus 1x plus 8. First number, last number does not change. It's only the middle term that we are splitting up. We'll group this 2 by 2. These two will be grouped and these two will be grouped. So, in these two, x is common. I get a x minus 8 in the bracket. Now, this is one more trivia that every student faces, where one is a plus number, one is a minus number. What to do? What to take out common in this case? Always remember, when one is minus and one is plus, take out the minus as the common. Now, it is 1x and 8. Nothing is common between them except for the number 1. So I took out 1 as common, and the minus x will change to plus x and the plus 8 will change to minus 8. I have got two same brackets which will come out common. X minus 8, and these two will go into another bracket, x minus 1. I have achieved the same answer as per this. The factorization of x squared minus 9x plus 8 is equal to x minus 8 and x minus 1. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in for the next video. Please like the video, share and subscribe. Please comment for any doubts, comment for your questions and anything new that you need to learn. Thank you.